Hey guys, so it's been a minute since you've seen me. It's been like 5 to 6 months. I just been busy and just going through like my own little struggles or whatever. You know, life has been a little crazy, you know, but sometimes you gotta take like a mental break, a mental health break from social media, and that's what I've been doing and just trying to work on myself. So I'm back and I'm gonna start filming more, and I have a great video today, so let's get into it. So if you guys notice, my hair has changed. It looks different. You wanna know? You wanna know? You wanna know what's up? You wanna know how I got this? Okay. So today's video is about the Punkycolour Light and Fast Volume 40 Bleach Kit. This is what it looks like. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Okay, this shit is bomb. All right, so as you know, like I've most definitely tried to bleach my hair on my own, and it hasn't always been an easy process, and I never got what I wanted. You know, even when I went to the salon, like I went to the salon, she hooked me up, but it still wasn't what I wanted, you know. This is what I wanted. This is the look that I wanted. Like, I like the dark with the blonde, like the dark roots of the blonde. Some people don't like dark roots of blonde. I like dark roots of blonde. I don't know. For me, it looks good, but I love this look. I'm feeling like California-ish or something. Like, I don't know, but it's a nice, really unique style. I love it, and it's because of this. So this also comes with, it comes with a bonding complex hair mask, and this is really good. I like this a lot. It made my hair stronger, because you know how fragile your hair can. Like, your hair can, when you freaking bleach your hair, like you comb it, it just starts immediately just breaking off. You gotta do like some kind of treatment, Olaplex, some kind of treatment, you know. So they gave me this. It comes with this. I love this. And it also comes with a serum. The serum is so nice. Let me a little closer so you can see. The serum is really, really, really good. I really enjoy it. I like it a lot. It makes my hair like a little bit stronger, not so stringy and stuff like that, you know. I've been really deep, like, it's basically a deep conditioner, you know, but when you're blonde, you want to, like, when you go blonde and you're not really blonde, you always have to like use a hair mask or deep conditioner. But something like this, it kind of heals your hair and makes it a little bit stronger and binds it back together, you know, because you lose all that when you take out the color, you know. So I just wanted to do a quick review on this. I think this was like $20 if I'm not mistaken. CVS and Walgreens are getting like super expensive these days, so it's out of control. Now when I put this in my hair, I left it, I'm not gonna front, I left it as long as I could, because like my hair was brown, so like I left it as long as I could. Now I needed to get the orange out, like, cause like, you know, like your hair gets like a little orangey and stuff like that, you know. So it wasn't like most of my hair came out blonde. Like most of my hair came out blonde. In the back I had like some orange pieces, but I just like cut some of them out. But I also used this, not the shampoo, I used the conditioner, right? This conditioner right here. One moment, hold on. I'm trying to, so you can see my camera. There we go. I'm trying to get this right. It focuses or whatever. I never used this brand. I just did like some research about like what's a really good purple shampoo. This popped up, and I was able to, you know, buy it or whatever. But it was really, really good. Like this, it says that it tones and repairs your hair for blonde, highlighted, and silver hair. This is why my color is like that. Like most of my hair is blonde. Like it came out blonde, but purple shampoo like helps it, like tones it, makes it blonder, makes it nicer. And this has been working for me, so I've been using this on top of, you know, everything else. But finding you a good purple shampoo, you're good, but this is really, really good. I had to do a review on it because I don't know, like it really just it really did a good job. And I like the packaging as well. I never used Punkycolour in my life. Punkycolour's been around like forever. This is my first time ever using any of their products, and yeah, I'm pretty blown away. I will be getting this again when it's time to touch it up. But what I didn't do highlights. I just did like the top part of my hair, and I left like my roots dark. I didn't leave it in, like I left it in for a long time because like I wanted to get every bit of the color out, you know. But it does a good job fast. How long you want to leave it in your hair is up to you, and it depends on how dark your hair is. So you might have to bleach twice. What I did was I put the bleach on, and then like I would just add more to like certain areas and spots that I saw like the color was turning orange or whatever, like to try to, and then I would just leave it a little bit longer into those parts. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. I just wanted to do a review on this because look at my hair. Look at my hair. It's speaking for itself, like literally speaking for itself. Okay, so take care, guys. Bye.